What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. And today we're going to talk about 6 skills of 10K a month earners, guys. Yes, guys, 10K a month earners, guys. We're going to go over 6 skills that they have that you don't have that can get you there, all right? You're probably right now at 5K, trying to get to 10K. Get into them with these 6 skills, and you'll potentially be at that 10K.
At number 1, these entrepreneurs have mastered their industry, or they understand the basic knowledge through and through of the product that they're selling or the service that they're offering. These individuals know the ins and outs. They know the nitty-gritty details of everything they're doing. They're able to communicate with anyone on the street what they're doing, how they're getting these things done, and how to accomplish their goals and things like that. You must understand and absorb knowledge, but you have to make sure that you understand your service and understand your product as well, so you can better communicate that to individuals that might want to purchase or might want to be a part of your team.
Well said, well said. At number 2, guys, going along with that, you must have a digital footprint, guys. What we mean by that, whether you like social media or you think social media is the devil, social media is here to stay. So you must be applying your knowledge through social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok, guys, depending on your age group. So you must have a digital footprint. One of the reasons you guys watch us right now is because we have a digital footprint, guys. Take advantage. It's free to post, and just post every day, 2 times a day. Build your audience through social media, digital footprint.
Numero 3, we have everyone knowing what you do. This is huge because when people know what you do, they can better refer you to other individuals who may need your product or service. Getting your name out there, making sure your friends and family know what you're doing or trying to accomplish is a good way of promoting your business, getting those extra referrals, getting that word of mouth advertising and marketing, which is one of the strongest things that you can have as an entrepreneur. So make sure that you are doing these things and making sure that you're leaving that digital footprint and allowing people to know what you do. You don't have to tell them everything about your business, but make sure they have a gist of what you're doing.
For example, guys, if you're living in a town, you should be the #1 insurance agent, at least the #1 referral insurance agent, because everyone knows Johnny sells insurance, right? Or if you're a baker and someone's having a party, they should know, oh, go see Johnny, he makes great cake. So everyone should know what you do, get your name out there, build it up. At number 4, guys, you see how this all ties in, guys. Good to great networker, guys. You don't have to be the most jovial person in the world, but you have to be out here shaking hands, kissing babies, so to speak, and letting people know what you do and how you do it, as well as taking in what do other people do and see you can build your network, guys. I know you've heard it before. Your network is your net worth. So the more people you can interact with in a positive manner and sliding in what you do in a natural, organic way, you're gonna build your network up, get someone who can help you and you can help them back, scratch their back, they scratch your back, pause, but still, guys, good to great networker.
Number 5, we have building strong relationships inside your industry. This is huge. And one big mistakes of many entrepreneurs is they want to shy away from the competition. They don't respect the competition, or they don't want to accept advice from the competition, not realizing that you all can make it, that everyone has the ability to thrive and succeed in any given industry. Look at McDonald's and Burger King. Look at Subway and Jimmy John's. All of these are examples of people in a specific type of industry that are succeeding, that are making billions of dollars in revenue just by using key principles and using things that they understand about the one company and accepting that competition. Competition isn't bad, but understanding and building relationships in the industry can help propel your business to future success.
In my personal opinion, competition breeds excellence, guys, so do not shy away from that, okay? Great example, McDonald's, Burger King, guys, what more do you need? And that leads us to our next one is number 6, always lead with value, guys. Always lead with value. Value, 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 value. When you shake someone's hand, lead with value. When you interact with your customers, lead with value, guys. Always lead with value. Don't try to shortcut and undercut people. Always lead with value, guys. Nothing more simple than that. the more value you lead with, the better reputation you have within your community and your network, guys, and you'll be loved and revered for that. And that will continue to expand your business, no matter what it is, anything from insurance, sales, cake, retail, whatever it is. Always lead with value, guys. Think about a time you had an unpleasant experience, and that's most likely because the individual you interacted with did not lead with value and just try to sell, right? So think about it like that. Always lead with value, guys. What more could you ask for? There you have it. 6 skills you should master to get you to that 10K, 120 grand a year. That'll be nice, right? Right? Live eventually. Like, comment, subscribe below. The world's yours.